Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Facebook. So guys, if you are a Facebook user and want to get blue tick on your Facebook account, then I'll help you how to get this. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to open your Facebook account, and guys after this you need to click on your main profile. And guys, after clicking on it, here is the option of three lines. You need to click on it, and guys after this here you will find the option of meta verified. You can see here. So guys, simply you need to click on this tab, and guys after this you need to wait. And guys, now you can see, simply you need to click on this next. And guys after this here you need to click on single profile and click on pay to get benefits. So guys, here you can see this is the billing, that is 2,300 per month on this profile. So guys after this simply you need to click on pay to benefits to get benefits. And guys after this, your Facebook will charge this money from your debit or credit card. So guys, now you can see here. And guys after this you will be able to get your blue tick on Facebook. So guys, simply you need to click on subscribe, and guys after this your subscription will be on and you will be able to get your verified account. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.